KonMari folding part 4. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Pal Skills. Today we'll be learning KonMari folding with pajamas based on Marie Kondo. So today we're gonna be learning two different types of ways how to fold pajamas. One is individual fold and one is folded together. Guys, please remember to watch my part 1 and 2 and 3 if you haven't, and we'll look out for part 5. Thank you. So let's start with the single individual fold pajamas. So you take the pajamas out like this. You put them flat on the table. You fold it in half, and then if this bit is sticking out, then you fold it. Then you fold it in half like that, and then oh yeah, before you do that, you need to check the size. If it's the same. If it is, then you're good. Then you do thirds like that, and then third again, and it should stand. Let me try quarter. Put it towards the middle like that. Yeah, and it stands like that. Now with the t-shirt, you undo it. You do a third like that. With the hand, put your hand between the chest bit and the arm, and then fold the arm towards you, and then like put the arm actually downwards to the bottom of the pajamas. Do the same to the other side. Like that. Then you fold it in third. Fold it in, quarter. And like that. And it folds like that. Now with the folding together one, you undo it, obviously. So with the trousers, you take it and you fold it in half like this. Then you lay it flat. Then you put it in the middle of the t-shirt, so this bit, you put it where the trousers are, so the trousers would go here. Then with the t-shirt, you fold it so that it folds into the trousers. Make sure that the trousers don't fold, and t-shirt goes like this. Do the same to the other side. Then you fold the trousers so that it's up to the end bit of the t-shirt, and then you fold it in half, and then half again. That's how you make with it together. Guys, Please watch my part 1, 2 and 3 and look out for part 5. Thank you for watching my channel Power Skills. Hope you like it. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.